Hello guys, welcome back to another video in Advanced Python Tutorials. In this video series, we had already discussed about few amazing modules in Python. The link of this playlist is available in description. Bookmark and save this playlist by clicking on the star button present at the top right corner of your browser. Okay guys, in this video, we will discuss about an amazing module in Python named as pyautogui. In this video, I am going to show how to automate our system using Python. The things like entering text using keyboard and clicking on a window using mouse can be automated through Python. We can also take screenshots through Python. Now let's see how we can do this stuff in Python. First of all, I am opening my Visual Studio Code. You can see here I already created a Python file named as pyautogui and time. Actually, in this video we are using a module named as pyautogui. First of all, to use pyautogui module, in your console type pip install pyautogui. You can see here it is showing me requirements already satisfied because I had already installed this module. In order to use a module, import that. I am using import keyword here. Import pyautogui. Now first of all, we will see how to take screenshots. For that, we must use a method named as screenshot. I am declaring a variable named as image, which will store the screenshot. pyautogui.screenshot. Now I am saving this image. Image.save. I am saving this image in C drive, users, Arshad, and then desktop. And I am giving a name of MyScreenshot.png. Now I am running this program. Now we will see in our desktop. You can see here an image file named as MyScreenshot. I am opening this image. It took a screenshot of my current window while running the program. This is how you can take screenshots using Python. Now I am commenting out these lines. Now we will see how to show alert boxes and prompt boxes using Python. For that, simply use pyautogui.alert function. In that alert, I am going to show a text named as welcome. Now I am running this program. A small window appeared here with text welcome. You can see here. Now I am clicking on OK. Now we will see how to show prompt. pyautogui.prompt, which will show text. Are you okay? Now I am running this program. Now we can type here text. Yes, I am. Now click on OK. If you want to see what we had entered in this prompt, just store this function in a variable. I am storing this in a variable named as prompt, and I am printing this prompt now. Now let's rerun this and see. I am clicking on OK and see it is showing me the text whatever I had entered in that prompt. Now, in order to take passwords as an input from user, you can also use same password method here. For that, I am declaring a variable named as password, which will show text of enter password. After entering password, I want to print this on my console, so I am using print statement here, print password. Now I am running this program once again. It is showing me text of enter password. Now I am entering some random password here, and now I am clicking on OK. You can see here the text whatever I had entered is shown in this console. Now once you completed this, I am commenting out these two lines. Now we will see about another module in Python named as time. For that I am importing module time. Now we will see how to print the current time on console using Python. For that, just declare a variable name as time and use a function named as strftime. You must use the same syntax here as %h for printing hours and %m for printing minutes and %p for printing AM or PM. Now just print this time. Now I am running this program. You can see here the current time has been printed on our console. Now we will see how to hold our program for a few seconds. For that I am using a method named as sleep, which is present in time module. For that just enter time.sleep. This will hold my program for 3 seconds. After stopping executing my program for 3 seconds, I am trying to write programming with Arshad on a notepad.txt file. So I am having a notepad file here, and now I am using pyautogui.write method, which will show me text of programming with Arshad. I am giving an interval of 0.05 seconds. Now I am running this code. Now I am opening my txt file and I am placing cursor on this, and it automatically types programming with Arshad. If I reduce this interval for 0.5 seconds, rerunning this program, I am opening my notepad file. Here you can see that it's typing now slowly because we had decreased our interval. Okay guys, now we will see how to get the current mouse position using pyautogui module. I am just commenting out these 2 lines and then I am writing a code. I am using a function of pyautogui.displayMousePosition to get the current mouse position. Now I am rerunning this program. You can see here, if I move the cursor, then the value of x and y coordinates are changing. I am at the top left corner, it is showing the value of x as 0 and also the value of y as 0. As I am moving down, the value of y is increasing. If I move sideways, then the value of x will be increasing. This is how you can get the current position of mouse. I am just placing this mouse on this file. Now the value of x is 114 and the value of y is 28. Now let's stop this, and I am commenting out this line. I am using pyautogui.click method to automatically click on this file by providing the value of x and y coordinates. The value of x is 114 and y is 28. Now I am running this code. You can see here, by default it clicks on this file. And now let's see the official documentation of pyautogui module. I am opening this pypi.org website. Here they had given the usage of pyautogui module. Using pyautogui module, we can also get the current size of our window and also position of our mouse. We can also move our cursor to a particular position. We can use click method to click on a window. We also can give 2 parameters to click on that particular position on a window. We can also move mouse to a particular position using move method. And we are also having a method known as double click, which will click twice on a window. And we are having a lot of stuff here. We can also see this press, which is used to press keys as escape or enter, etc. We can also having lots of method here. For display message boxes, we had already seen this alert. We are also having a method named as confirm, prompt, password, etc. Now we also have seen how to use screenshot method. And there is a lot of stuff in this documentation. You can try all of this. Now we will code a small program which will open YouTube and then type programming with Arshad, and then automatically it hits enter and then it opens my YouTube channel. Importing web browser module to open YouTube. I am using webbrowser.open method, and now I am providing website here www.youtube.com. Now I am holding my program for 5 seconds using time.sleep function. After that I am automating my program to click on the search bar of YouTube. I am providing here coordinates of 1107, 163, and then again I am typing programming with Arshad using pyautogui.write method. I am entering text as programming with Arshad. And now I am providing here an interval of 0.05 seconds. After that I am hitting enter by using pyautogui.press method. Now again I am holding my program for 5 seconds using time.sleep method. Finally this line of code which will click on my YouTube channel. Now I am running this code and I am not doing anything here. It's all. Now it had entered programming with Arshad. It's waiting for 5 seconds. It came down. It has hit end. Now it has clicked on programming with Arshad. We had seen how to automate any stuff using Python. We can use click method for clicking on any window, write method for writing text, press method for hitting enter or escape button. We had also seen time module. For holding program we are using time.sleep method. And we had also seen strf time for printing the current time, and we had also seen how to show alert boxes, prompt, passwords, and we had also seen how to take screenshot. And that's all in this video.